Algebraic fractions 5, add and subtract. Remember, when adding fractions with different denominators, we can cross-multiply. So I can multiply this fraction by the denominator here, d, top and bottom, and I can multiply this fraction by the denominator over here, b. Then we can add the fractions together. We can add the numerators. This is an incredibly important skill for the upcoming nugget. Let's try some questions. Question 1. Simplify. X over 4 plus 3x over 5. Now, we can't add these fractions together because the denominators are different. So my first step is to multiply this fraction, top and bottom, by 5. That gives us a fraction of 5x over 20. Now I'm going to multiply this fraction by 4, top and bottom. That gives me a fraction of 12x over 20. Well, now I can simply add the numerators together. 5x plus 12x is 17x, so my final fraction is 17x over 20. There we go, we've added them together using cross-multiplication. Okay, your go. Question 2. Simplify 11y over 7, subtract 3y over 5. You need to cross-multiply and then subtract the numerators. So pause the video and have a go. When you come back, I'll show you the answer and my working out. Pause the video now. Very well done. If you got a final answer of 34y over 35. Step 1. I wanted to change this fraction, so I multiplied top and bottom by the denominator over here, 5. 5 times 11y, 55y. 5 times 7, 35. Step 2. I changed this fraction, multiplying it by 7, the denominator here. 7 times 3y is 21y, and we know it's going to be out of the same thing. Step 3, I combined them. 55y subtract 21y, which is 34y over 35. Very well done if you got that correct. Let's do our final 2 questions. Simplify x plus 7 over 4 plus x over 7. First thing we need to do is get our denominators the same. So I'm going to multiply this fraction, top and bottom, by 7. So that will simplify down to 7x plus 49 over 28. I now need to do the same with this fraction, multiplying top and bottom by 4. Well, that will give us 4x over 28. Now I need to check we are indeed adding, so I can now add the numerators, leaving us with 11x plus 49 over 28. And that's our final answer. That cannot be simplified anymore because these 3 terms do not share a common factor. Okay, your turn now. Question 2. Now yours looks a little different to mine. You have 5y minus 2 over 3, and then just take away y. Now my big hint for this question is that y can be written as y over 1. That's my clue. Okay, pause the video and have a go at the final question. Pause the video now. Very well done if you got a final answer of 2y minus 2 over 3. Or you could have factorised the top and written 2 brackets y minus 1 over 3. Here's what I did. The key to this question was rewriting y as being y over 1. We do not need to multiply this fraction by this denominator. Multiplying any of this by 1 will not change the values. But we do need to change this fraction and multiply it by 3. 3 times y, 3y. 3 times 1 is 3. So our new fractions are 5y minus 2 over 3. Take away 3y over 3. We have the same denominators. We can now put it all together on the numerator. 5y minus 3y will simplify to just 2y. Minus 2 over 3. Very well done if you got either of those answers.